So after downloading my Eclipse and unzipping the files, today I came over to try to run my Eclipse to run some code, but then I was met with this message. It says that a Java runtime environment or Java development kit must be available in order to run Eclipse and a bunch of other things. So yes, I went over to Google and I searched for a way to fix this, and I was able to get a solution, but it was way too long, and yeah, some of the other information there was just not that useful. So but now I just want to create a show you guys a quick solution to this. But I hope you guys make sure that you've already downloaded your Java development kit, and if you have downloaded this and you still have this message, then this tutorial is for you. So basically all we need to do is you have to go onto your drive, your local disk, and then over to program files, and then to Java if you have already downloaded your Java development kit, of course, and then to the bin. So this bin file has the executable that the Java will need for it to, the Eclipse will need to start running. So then what we have to do is you're just going to click on this to select the directory and to copy, and then you just control C to copy it, or you can just right click and copy it like that. So now what we want to do is to go over to environment variables. You have to go to system properties, and then you see environment variables, or just type environment variables in your search box and you should find this. And then what you now want to do is go to your path right here. You'll see right here, path, and then you just click on new path, and then you paste that directory path that we had already copied, and then you click OK and OK again, OK once more. So now what we want to do, Eclipse. So when you go to your Eclipse, then you will you should be able to now run this. So this is basically it. I hope this was helpful.